The Pillar Business Summit is here. For the first time in over 2 years, live events are back in Malaysia. As the world continues to slowly open back up, join us to discover how to recover, rebuild and restore your business with 3 top leaders and experts who absolutely crushed it with new companies and projects even during these times of global pandemic, economic and health crisis, as well as their million-dollar plans to not only survive, but completely thrive through the current and next crisis when it happens again. Yes, you best believe that there will be a next one, with even more after that, so you better have a solid plan and be very well prepared. Spend the entire day with us at this special live event as we show you exactly how to do this when we meet in major local cities near you, with more dates and locations planned very soon. Plus, you will get the chance to meet the top industry experts in person, network with fellow like-minded marketers or aspiring entrepreneurs just like you, and truly experience the power of live events that completely changes lives. Even if you live too far away and absolutely cannot be there in person, the good news is that the Pillar Business Summit is a hybrid event, meaning the next best thing is that you can still join us online as we live stream all the insider secrets directly to you. Whatever the case and however you decide to join, this is an event not to be missed, so make sure you register your seat right now to meet us live at the Pillar Business Summit in Malaysia.